Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add video inside text. So already open footage in here. So select the type tool and click here, write beach, sunset. Select the move tool, go to the essential graphics, below line height hopefully not good. Okay, select the font, change the font family, impact, okay, then font size will be 450. Also make it center. Okay, now text will be full. Now select the footage, go to the effect, type here track matte key. Okay, select, drag and drop into the clip, or now go to the effect control, track matte. See, here is the matte. Okay, the by default this is alpha, this is check. Also here is a none. If I select B2, this video is going inside the text, or if I change B3, nothing happened because text in B2 layer. Okay, B2. Okay, text is applied here. Now I want to add a background color in below using color matte to change the layer. Now here right click, color matte. Okay, color will be this color. Okay, click, drag and drop below the footage. Okay, full sequence background color is add here. Go to the effect control, track matte, select here B3. If you want to change the different color, double click on the color matte pen and check it from here. Also if you can little darker color. Okay, I want to add animation in this text. Okay, so select the text, need to make sure the playhead cursor is fast on the clip, then go to the effect control, under the motion here is the scale. Okay, scale I want to add 3500. Okay, this is gone. 2 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, reset the below. It means scale is going 100%. So on, after that is text is open. So play the video. Okay, again play this. In point and out point. So okay, now play. Okay, hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.